Hey everyone, in this video, I'll guide you through on how to book multi-city in Skyscanner. First, go to their official website, and from this page, all you need to do is to select a specific location where you want to start your flight. And under the departure, click on multi-city search. From here, select a specific first departure. I'm gonna type here, New York, and then select a specific date. Now, on to the second city is type the last city that you have departed on and choose a specific location where you want to depart again. Select a specific depart date, and then after that, modify this by selecting what kind of cabin class you want, the number of adults, the children, including their age. You can also add another flight onto the multi-city flights. Now after that, click on search. Wait for it to load, and you'll find different kind of places, including their prices, the date, and the time of departure. You can choose the cheapest one or the fastest one. Now, after selecting a specific flight, click on Select. Now from here, choose Book Now. And all you need to do is to provide your specific information in order for you to book the flight. And that's it. That's how to multi-city booking on Skyscanner. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one.